Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to unblock challenges.cloudflare.com on PC or laptop. Now, simply, if you have this problem on your PC, what you can simply do in order to fix this, you can go and use your phone instead of your PC. So just use your phone, send the ChatGPT hi, for example, and your issue will be fixed. Another solution that you can actually try is to simply try to turn off the VPN. If you have the VPN, turn it on. Another thing that you can do is to use another browser. Also, you can clear the cache from your Microsoft Edge or from your browser. So in order to do so, you have to click on these three dots on the top right side, then go and click on settings, then go and click on privacy, then go and click on clear browsing data and choose what to clear in all. So this is another approach that you can actually do. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.